This video is about how to use the MobileManager for alerts. The alert widget shows if you have any alerts you have not seen yet and if they are active. Click on the widget to get more details. The list displays the alerts. You can click on the alert. That will open a dialog with more information. The information depends on the actual alert. Let us see the station alarm. The dialog will give you information about status and timestamps for the alert. It will also give you a hint of how to fix the alert and in some cases an option to link to other parts like the station survey. The station survey is covered in another video. You can enter a message, which will be displayed next time the alert is opened. That could be information about your observations. In the bottom you can move back and forth between the alerts. You can also mark the alert as seen. This will move it to the bottom of the list and grayed out. If you mark it as fixed it will disappear from the list until next time it becomes active again.